Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, we're going over how to install the Snap Store. Now, the Snap Store is a useful app, especially if you're using something like, Elementary OS or Debian or something like that, and you just really you wanna install snaps, but you don't have the store and you don't want to use the terminal. So, first of all, ironically, you will have to open up a terminal window, but only to install the initial Snap Store. After that, there's no reason to use it again. You can install snaps directly through the app. So to start off, just do snap search snap store and let it go. You might need to maximize it though because it's a snap output. And the Snap Store package is the first one at the top, so you can do sudo snap install snap store, enter your password. It's going to download the dozens of prerequisites that it's going to need to run everything, so GNOME runtime and all of that. So once the Snap app is done downloading from the store, you're going to have to wait a little bit longer because it's going to connect all of the eligible plugins, as it says here. So there are a lot of different things that it needs to add. So just sit back and be patient. When the terminal finally finishes, you can close it, open up your app menu, search for Snap Store, and double click on it to open it. Now, Snap Store looks a little bit like GNOME software, so if you've ever used GNOME software, especially if you are a GNOME user, this is going to look exactly the same, but this is just self-contained and lets you install the Snap. So this is really useful, especially if you just need something to install snaps with and you don't want to deal with the terminal. So let's go over how to install really quick. Find an app, you can go through the categories. Let's just go and find this one. So if we want to install Rider, we just click the install button, enter our system password, which is the username password, and it's going to download everything that you need. So all of the important stuff that you would normally have to use the terminal and type all the stuff out, you just browse for your favorite thing and click install. So that is how you install apps, and that's how you get the Snap Store installed. We did a little double feature here. But that's how you get all that working under Linux. I highly recommend checking this out if you're a fan of snaps. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.